So today I am going to show you all the most delicious of recipes, and it is tofu biryani. I had seen it in a magazine before and have made it a ton of times since, which is not something that I do to most recipes really, short of the really good ones. And it comes out really nice and light, full of flavor, and just so easy to make. So I hope you all enjoy. So I'm going to start by putting together our spice mix first. Recipe is all going to be down below. There's some cardamom pods in there, ground coriander, ground cumin, some cinnamon. This biryani is really good because there's like some sweet spices in there, and it just makes everything so good. So in a pan over about medium heat, I'm going to put a little bit of oil along with one medium onion. And I'm just going to cook that for 5 to 6 minutes until it softens. And then I'm going to put in my garlic and my ginger. Now, after cooking the ginger and the garlic for about a minute, you're supposed to add in your tomatoes and all of your spices. And I kind of got a little bit overly excited and made a little boo-boo here. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to layer the rice in afterwards. I'll kind of show you the step afterwards. So you're not supposed to be putting it in here yet because then it soaks up too much of the flavor. I'll tell you it tasted fine, but I think it would be better if we added in the rice later. So you all must be asking, where is the tofu? So I'm going to turn the heat off here. I'm going to add in 6 ounces of tofu as well as some raisins and some almonds. And this is why this dish is so good, because it has kind of that sweet and salty mix to it with the raisins and all of the savory flavors. And we're not cooking the tofu yet because we're sticking all of this into a 350-degree oven uncovered for 30 minutes. And you would think that it would dry out the rice, but it just makes the rice a lot more fluffy. It makes it lighter so it's not heavy and it's not dense. Like I had mentioned earlier, if I had done it the proper way, I would have taken half of the rice, then layered in a layer of the tofu mix, another layer of the rice, and then finally topping it off with that tofu mix again. And that way, not all of the flavors get combined together, and it's only at the end that everything gets tossed together and the flavors stay separate. Now, if you've ever been to a South Asian restaurant and you've tried their biryani and you're like, wow, this tastes so light, and all of the, the rice kernels, they're separate. It's just really, really nice. I think the secret is in this baking. Anyways, there you guys go, everyone. This tofu biryani. It's pretty much one dish, other than you have to bake it, but you can definitely do it in the same pot. And it's savory, it's sweet with the raisins. It's so full of flavor, and you have the tofu, and everything is just so nice. Anyways, I hope you guys have all enjoyed this recipe. I hope you all are having a really nice weekend. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye.